Make a great choice today with 2015 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front-wheel drive, trip computer, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear-view mirror, carpeted floor mats, front bucket seats, body color door handles, 4-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.